Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Veracode, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Veracode, first, visit the Veracode website. Log in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the application you want to scan from the list. If you haven't added an application yet, click on the Add Application button. Fill in the necessary details about your application. Choose the programming language used in your application. After adding your application, go back to the dashboard. Select the Scans tab to initiate a scan. Choose the type of scan you want to perform, such as static analysis or dynamic analysis. For static analysis, upload your codebase files directly. For dynamic analysis, set up the URL and any needed configuration details. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the process. You will see a progress indicator while the scan runs. Once the scan is complete, navigate to the Results tab. Review the summary of vulnerabilities found in your application. Click on each vulnerability for more details and remediation advice. Use the filters to prioritize the vulnerabilities based on their severity level. Document the findings and create an action plan for remediation. If needed, rerun scans after applying fixes to ensure vulnerabilities are resolved. Finally, consider integrating Veracode with your CI/CD pipeline for continuous security testing. This will help maintain secure coding practices throughout your development lifecycle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.